All right, so I'm here Friday morning and I'm trying to get this mulching head unhooked from my machine. I got the hydraulic quick connect, and of course it's got to be running to unhook this thing. So what I'm gonna do, hopefully it works, I've loosened these two fittings down here for the quick connect cylinder, and I'm going to go down below here where the two locking pins come through the bottom of the quick attach plate, and I'm gonna put a brick and a block down here with a crowbar and try to press down like that on the bottom of the locking pins. And I already see fluid dripping out that one fitting right there, so hopefully it'll release the pressure and those two pins can be pushed up and I can get this head unlatched from this machine. Okay, so here's what I'm coming up with. I'm not having any luck going from the bottom pushing up on the locking pins, so what I'm doing is I'm using a crowbar to pull up on these tabs that stick out on the top of the locking pins. So when this thing's working, one pin comes up on that side, it pops up. The cylinder, it's like a hinge system. So if you don't stick something under there, like I got that wrench to hold that up on that side, when you try to pull up on this side, it's just gonna push that one back down and you're back where you originally started. So you got to stick something in there. So I got, it's pushing the fluid out these fittings, so golly, this is a mess. All right, so pushing. Knock my wrench. I can't film this, but anyways, that's how you get it up, and hopefully I can make progress doing it this way. Okay, so I got both the locking pins up now. For that one there, I actually had to hook a chain to this other machine and hook it around the very base of that cylinder right there and pull straight up with the chain. That popped that pin up. That one right there, the other one, I did just by getting a wrecker bar on the other side and pressing down on that little tab right there, and it popped that pin up. So now I'm gonna try to, the head's got a lot of pressure on it, so I'm gonna try to wiggle it loose. I might move the machine, this one, with a chain and try to drag it maybe with that one. I'm just gonna have to wiggle it loose because it's still on there. I might push up on this with that machine, push up on it, and might kick the back end down like that. So we'll see.